Hey, hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to see one very basic interview questions, which is you will be facing in almost every interview. Okay. So here the input is like I am going to school. What you have to do, you have to make this first character of every word. Okay, in uppercase. Like I will become capital. Am. So in am word we have a as the first one, so that we have to make it like capital. From in going G, first G is there, so G we are making it capital. So like that. So I am going to school, and all the first character of every word should be in capital letter. Okay, so let's go and create one class. K to upper case. Okay, now let me create one main method inside this. Okay, let me take one string. S is equal to, let me copy that string. Yeah, so now we have a string. So here what I'll do, so to convert this into like uppercase of first characters, we need to get every character, every word one by one. Okay, so for that what I'll do, I'll create one string array. Okay, and I will split this based on space. So now what will happen, based on space it will split, and all characters will get stored in this. Okay, now let me create one for loop. For in I is equal to 0, I is less than array dot length I plus plus. Okay, so now see, in this array all characters are there. For example, if you want to see, let me print that so that you will be more assured, like we are getting all the arrays. Okay, so first it will take 0 1, second one, third one, based on like whatever string will be there, based on that it will take all the words. Okay, see, now first one was I am going. So now every character we are having in this array. Okay, so now what is our requirement? Our requirement is to get the first character. Okay, first character from every words. Okay, so that character we can get here. Character C is equal to ARR of I index dot char at 0, because see, first character will always be there at index 1, right? At index 1 this character will be there. So A is at first, I is at first, so G is at first, so index will be 0. So it, how array starts, it starts from 0, right? So that's what every character, first character will come under this C. So let me show you after printing that. All characters I am printing, all the first character it will fetch and it will print. Okay, see, I from first one, then A from second, G from third, and T from fourth. Okay, and S from school, like this last one. Okay, so now all characters we got. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this to uppercase, right? So there are two ways here. Okay, so this is the first way. I'll tell in both the ways. Okay, so now what we can do is string C1 is equal to string dot value of, okay, value of C. If you'll pass no, then this will get converted into string. Okay, now in string we have method to uppercase. Okay, if you write like this to uppercase, it will get converted into uppercase. Okay, so earlier when we print C after fetching it caret I, so all were like small characters, right? So now we are converting here that to uppercase. Okay, so if I'll print all C1s, then it should print in uppercase. Okay, see, now see, all got converted to uppercase. Okay, so now we got the uppercase. Now what we have to do, we have to append rest of the things. Okay, after getting it as a capital, other things we need to append, right? So for that what we can do we can take substring. Okay, string sub is equal to sorry, is equal to, so from where, array dot I, right? So array dot I dot substring. Okay, so in that substring, it is asking from which index you want to take. So in what we have to do from the first index. So in this first character, we don't have anything. So in second, we have to take it from M. M is the first index because A is at 0 index and M is at first index. Likewise, G is at 0 index and O is at first index. So from here till end, we have to take. So in substring, if we'll provide one, because from one index, we want to get all the letters till end. So what it will do, this substring, it will give from first index till end, it will give everything. Okay, and all will get stored in this sub. So let me print this sub and show you. Okay, whether we are getting the rest of the string or not. See here. See, for first, we didn't get anything because after I, from first index, we don't have anything. But for second, was one character M from the first index, so we got M. And OING from going, that printed. From 2, O is there, so O got printed. And from school, CHOON is there, so all these things came. So now what we have to do, see, here we got in uppercase and here rest of the things we got. Now what we can do, we can print it. Okay, like C1 plus. Okay, so what it will do, just I am appending this first capital character to this substring, the rest of the part from first index, right? So let me run it as, see, now we got, right? I am going to school. Okay, so now we can give one space over here. Okay, just print space. Okay, so now what it will do, after printing every word, what one space will give, and we will print in the same line. So that's what println I removed, and just I am printing using print. Okay, so that it will not go to the next line. See, now you are able to print all, right? But here there is one extra space is getting appended because we have we done it like that. Okay, so to remove that extra space, so what we can do is string required string is equal to nothing. Okay, now required string, yeah, here required string is equal to required string plus this which one, this C1 plus substring, right? Substring. So this we got. Then after we have to append space. Okay, plus space, because after every word some space should be there, right? So that I appended in this required string. In this also, at the end we will be having that space because here we are appending space at the end, right? So now what we have to do, we have to just use trim. Okay, trim, so that the last space here it is showing, right? See the highlighted one. So here one last space is there, that will not come. Let me run it as, yeah. Okay, what happened? Okay, so this I have to print it outside this loop because I am appending every time, right? That's what it was done like that. See, now I am going to school. Now we got it, right? At the end, we don't have empty space also, right? See, we don't have anything. So earlier I was selecting one extra space was there. So this is the first way to do that. Now, what is the second way? Okay. Second way, we know that whenever you will get character, right? So the character ASCII value of that character will be coming. Okay. For example, from A to Z. Okay. If you will print ASCII character of capital A, then it will come at 65. Okay. So let me comment this. Okay, for time being, let me comment this, let me comment this, let me comment this too. Okay. Just what we'll do, I'll show you how to print the ASCII value of this character. Okay. Okay. So to print ASCII character, just what we have to do, we have to write like this int. Okay. So it will convert that into ASCII characters of all the characters. Okay, ASCII value of our character. See, for the first one I, the ASCII value is 105. So if you want to print 105 in the form of character, then this I will get printed. Likewise, for A, it is 97. Okay. Okay. So that is what for every character, like for G, it is 103. So we know for ASCII character is 65 for capital A, right? So what we can do, if we can somehow reduce some values, then it will get converted into capital. Okay. For that, let me open calculator. So for capital A, the value is 65. Okay. And for small a, the value is 97. Yeah. So 97 minus 65, if we'll do, then we will get 32. It means from small character, if I'll minus 32, okay, then what will happen? All will get converted to capital. Okay. So let's run this and see whether it is doing that or not. So now we are getting 7365C for a capital A, right? Second one is A, right? So now we are getting actual value. So now just what we have to do, we have to convert this to to uh, to character. Okay, if we'll convert this ASCII value to character, no, then the uppercase will get printed. For example, let's print here. Just I have casted that. What is that error it is talking about? Okay, sorry. Let me run that. Yeah, see, now all came no in capital letter. See, I came from I, A came from am, and G came from going, T came from to, and S from school. So now all upper cases we got. Now what we have to do, we have to take this substring, like here we have taken. Now substring from first character till end, right? From the second character, like the index is 1 for this one. Okay, so we got that one, and we got this in form of capital. So now let me append this. Okay, plus substring. Okay, now let me run this. See, I am going to school. Everything came, right? Just we have to append one space here, plus one space, and then what we have to do, we have to make it print instead of println. Okay, now it will print in that. See, now I am going to school. Now see, so here also again last character is one extra space came, so that using trim you can remove that one. Yeah, hope you are clear with these two approach, guys, and thank you for now. We will meet in our next video. Bye guys.